हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वैसे आप लोगों को बताने की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है बिकॉज यू ऑल नो, बट स्टिल बता देती हूँ दैट आई हैव रीच टू एम्बियंस मॉल टू होस्ट summer camp 2026 and few more days left and then I'll be like over this event and already happy about it because this is one of those events which I never take in my career. So this is the only first event which I have taken in my throughout career कि मैंने 10 दिन का इवेंट उठा लिया हो. सो आगे से मैं नहीं करूँगी ऐसा क्योंकि रोज़ सुबह उठना like guys I have to like get up at like 8 o'clock और आई एम नॉट एन अर्ली राइजर बिकॉज मेरे शोज़ जनरली इवनिंग में होते हैं और रात को 12 बजे ख़त्म होते हैं एंड मैं अपने घर आती हूँ 1-1:30 बजे और मैं लेट उठती हूँ एंड देन आई गो टू माई जिम. दैट्स हाउ माई स्केड्यूल इन जनरल. बट यहाँ पर आने के बाद मेरा स्केड्यूल जो है आई वुड से कि अच्छा हो गया बिकॉज मैं बहुत सुबह उठती हूँ. आई टेक शावर तो दिन जो है मेरा सुबह जल्दी स्टार्ट हो जाता है और फिर जल्दी भी ख़त्म हो जाता है बिकॉज आई गेट फ्री बाय 5 PM तो विच इज़ गुड. बट मुझे घर जाते तक तो आराम से 6:37 भी हो जाता है. सो इन कंपेरेटिवली टू दैट तो मेरा ऑलमोस्ट पूरा दिन तो चला ही जाता है एंड देन मैं अपने घर पहुंचती हूँ, ट्रैफिक जैम, दिस एंड दैट. Anyways, I can just go on and on and on. But if you're watching my video for the very first time and on my channel, then if you like my content after just watching, then do subscribe to my channel so that I post more and more videos, guys. And दिखाते हैं आपको कैसे करते हैं host summer camp. Hi. So they are my fellow.
Fellow?
Yes, my dirty fellows. No, I didn't mean that way. So they are also working here, and they are on the front decks. And सबके लिए handle करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है because if we talk about kids, so it's very difficult to handle kids. And but they have this entire team of security guards over here. So this is like well managed, and not even a single kid can go out of that circle because मुझे what I am seeing for the first time कि इन्होंने 4 बच्चों पे एक security guard है, which is like really good. And maybe that is the reason parents are like pretty much like free mind कि उन्हें पता है that if they have sent their child to this small summer camp, so they will be safe because safety is requires. So yes, दिखाते हैं आपको कैसे करते हैं आज समर कैंप होस्ट. और हाँ, मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ आइस स्केटिंग. इफ़ यू गाइज हैव नेवर सीन आइस स्केटिंग तो वो भी दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं आपको आज. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माई कॉफ़ी एंड बिकॉज इसके बिना तो काम नहीं चल सकता है एंड दिस इज़ मच नीडेड. Hi. Could I have one cappuccino? So इसके बिना काम नहीं चल सकते because my eyes get shut and the coffee opens up my eyes.
Few moments later.
Good morning, cutie pie.
Good morning, ma'am. I bring you some chocolate.
Oh my God, you brought chocolates for me?
Cola candies.
Huh?
Cola candies.
Oh my God, cola candies. What is it? अच्छा guys, ये वो है जो हम भी खाते थे बचपन में. Thank you. You have it.
Okay.
You have it. Thank you. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Did you miss me yesterday?
Yes.
आप बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? What happened? Sahaj, what are you carrying in your hands? What is it?
Stamp.
cover it up with the cover. And then I have a chocolates for you. And then I have chocolates for you. Sahaj, are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? Yes? My God. Why are you angry with me, Sahaj? Sahaj, why are you angry with me?
मैम कल आपने मेरे से यही बात कर रहे हैं
कल मैंने
यही बात कर रहे
मैंने करी तो थी आपसे बात. I swear I talked to you.
आप किसी और से बात कर रहे थे
No, Sahaj, I
Let's tell
told you
me.
I am only your friend, not Farasa friend. Okay, let's do this and shake hands. No, let's do it together. You need to put this like this. No. And this finger out. Oh. Oh my God, look at this cutie patootie. Look at this. Now we are friends?
Yes
Yes, we are friends.
Yes
And now you will talk to me
Yes
and I will get chocolate for you. You want chocolate or lollipop?
Lollipop
Lollipop, then when we'll go to have lunch, then we'll have lollipop from there. Okay? Done. I'll see you in some time. And we are friends.
Yes
And you're not angry with me? Let's do this one more time. Oh my God, cutie patootie, cutie patootie, cutie patootie. You're my cutie patootie. I'll see you in some time.
Yeah okay
Love you. Love you. Oh my God.
Few moments later.
You makeup?
Yes only on functions but
Only on functions you?
only on events
You?
sometimes functions sometimes
No, don't lie. I got you. I got you here.
No.
So you're applying mascara today.
yeah
And you do makeup? You don't do makeup in the school?
I only do mascara
You must be doing makeup in the school.
no I don't I only do lip gloss
Lip gloss? No mascara in the school? Back at our time, the girls used to do a little bit of makeup back at our time. So this is your time. And I can't trust you on this. Because it's very difficult. Back at our time, I used to apply like at least lip gloss and kajal. At that time, kajal was the thing. And mascara, we didn't knew if there is anything called mascara. If I knew at that time, I would have been applying. Since the time
like mascara. I don't like kajal. I don't like kajal.
you don't like,
Kajal is not allowed. Sometimes it's allowed.
I
huh?
don't like kajal. Yeah. I love lip gloss so much.
Lip gloss so much.
Very much. Like the kajal goes in her eyes. I don't like.
Kajal in the eyeliner.
I like mascara.
You like, even I love
love
mascara.
mascara.
I love mascara. My favorite brand in mascara is Huda Beauty
Huda Beauty brand.
because it gives you two brushes, one for the upper eyelashes, one for the lower lash. Yes, guys, that's what I do. You also apply makeup, kya? No, you?
Why would I apply makeup? I'm a boy. I'm not a girl.
Right. You,
Girls like putting makeup.
guys does apply makeup. Who told you they never apply makeup?
Just say it.
Some guys apply makeup. When you grow old, no, then you'll get to know.
But sometimes he does.
He does?
No, in his annual days.
Oh my God.
Annual days. I don't.
What did he apply?
Huh?
What did he apply?
I don't know.
You said he applied makeup on the annual day.
didn't. Ma'am,
Why were you shutting her mouth?
Ma'am, because I didn't put makeup.
But then there was no.
On the annual
Oh my
day.
God! I can look at this girl. And she's looking at you in the eye because you must be holding her back. No?
No, actually. I just put some blush on. It was necessary.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
My music teacher told me to put it. It was necessary. All the boys had put it.
Earlier he was saying I am a boy. I can't apply makeup. Now he's saying that he applied blush on.
Even Riyan.
You're a liar.
I put foundation only.
Oh!
Wait a minute. Even that guy did.
You applied foundation and blush on.
Huh?
Foundation and blush on together.
Yeah.
Why did you apply so much makeup?
Because I was a part of drama and singing both.
Sure? Was he?
Yeah.
Then you had to tell.
I had to do the drama also.
One eternity later.
Hi cuties, you're here. Did you do ice skate?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
I said no, we not go up. Yes, we will.
You will do.
After 3
Walking. How are you doing it? You're falling. See, you need me to do it.
Yeah, but I wanted to only get expert new.
Right? Start. Hi, what's up? How's it going?
Very nice.
You tell me, how's it going with you, man?
I did so good and it's my first time.
And I could see that you're doing amazing.
Thank you.
And show me your moves. Let me see. You go. Wow. इतनी दूर चली गई मुझे कि मुझे दिखे ना. Come.
Few moments later.
Yes, I went to ice skating.
What do you want? Where you went?
Ice skating.
You also did ice skating. Yes. I want to go to ice skating now. Mama, I also want to go to ice skating.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
I want to go to ice skating. Mama, I want to go to ice skating now. Please. I'm bigger than you. Yes, you can't go. I can only go. I'm bigger.
Why are you saying that you are better than her? What
I
made you
didn't say
think
better. I said bigger.
she will be bigger soon? You are also small.
Ice skating
You
is
can't.
Ice skating is what
Yes.
my papa said. This is what my papa said.
Huh?
My papa said. No, ice skating is already finished now. She looks really gorgeous.
She is indeed. Cutie.
And me?
Obviously you are too. Yes, you are cute.
I want to eat more. Buy lollipop.
Huh?
Let's go to buy lollipop.
You want to go and buy lollipop
Yes.
with me? See this girl? That's how she asked for lollipop. How smart. You're a cutie pie.
I'm more cutie pie.
Huh? And look at this. So there is this something in between these two little girls are going, and I don't know what is it.
Yes, I'm a bee. Or bee. Search. I'm a bee.
Says you in B?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, she's in B. She's not in my group. You both are not in my group.
Ma'am, what do you group?
Huh?
What your group is?
My group is C.
Yes, her group is C. You are in? She's in C means.
Why are you so happy? What happened? Farisa in my group, but
मजाक कर रही थी आपके साथ मैं ग्रुप सी में हूँ मजाक
Few moments later.
tell me what's your name?
इनको लेके आ जाऊंगा
Ashvi, how are you doing?
लेके आ जाऊंगा
And are you enjoying your summer camp? Little bit or so much?
ये भी तीनों बच्चे हैं उनसे वो कंफर्म कर लो जाएगी
Wow, that's great. And tell me now, what did you make?
थिएटर क्लास जाओगी ना थिएटर क्लास
And
रेडी नाउ
One eternity later.
इवेंट जो है वो ख़त्म हो गया है. सो नाउ आई एम गोना गो बैक टू माई होम. और मैं सोच रही हूँ थोड़ा मॉल में घूम लिया जाए एंड जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड आराम से बैठूँ, मैं अपनी कॉफ़ी इंजॉय करूँ एंड थोड़ी देर बाद मैं निकलूँ यहाँ से, बिकॉज अभी आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक गोइंग. सो आई एम गोना सिट हियर फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन आई एम गोना लीव फॉर होम. एंड माई डे वॉज टुडे, इट वॉज नॉट दैट बैड. बढ़िया दिन था मेरा. आई हैड not lot of fun, but yes, definitely I had fun. And बस एंड अभी जाते हुए क्या होता है कि एनर्जी बहुत होती है, लाइक यू हैव लाइक गुड एनर्जी, बट वंस यू रीच होम लाइक देन ऑब्वियसली यू फील टायर्ड, बिकॉज ना वो ट्रैफिक जैम जो होता है ना, दैट स्क्वीज योर एनर्जी. सो उससे मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, ट्रैफिक से. एंड ट्रैफिक मुझे हमेशा मिलता है. सो मुझे लगता है मुझे डरना नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज मुझे तो हमेशा मिलना ही है ट्रैफिक, तो उसमें डरना क्या है. बट गाइज ऑनेस्टली आफ्टर दिस इवेंट गेट्स ओवर, आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग टू कम टू दिस मॉल एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 year, बिकॉज बहुत हो गया यहाँ पर आते आते ना, मैं थक गई हूँ. बट आई थिंक few more days to go and then I am free again, and I love that freedom. I definitely never want to do any job which just, you know, takes my freedom away from me. So yes, peace out, and I'll see you in my next vlog. But if you watch my videos, then I would like to request you all to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.
Soy arena, oh so bright.